When it started to become clear that we were all going to have to sequester and be apart from each other, first of all, we had Art Walk coming the next Friday. So that was the first thing we canceled. We had a week of school shows, K1, that we had to cancel. We had a family day coming up with a family show. And so one by one, we were canceling things. Before we were literally shut down, people stopped coming. You know, we're usually full of kids in the hallways coming for field trips. We have visitors coming in to shop and to look at the artwork. It was just stone silence here. What became really clear is we are a programming organization. We're all about bringing the community together, taking the arts to the community, bringing the community into the Arts Council, helping other parts of Cabarrus County develop outdoor concerts, whatever, and we were shut down. And I was scared to death, Garrett. My team is amazing. It was like, what can we do for the community? The community still needs the arts. And so every morning we would brainstorm. It was like, okay, little kids are at home, their parents are having to teach them. We need to give those parents something to do. So every day we put a craft on for people to do with their kids. Then it was like the hospital called and said, can you do something to help uplift our health heroes here in the community? So then we started reaching out to local performers and said, would you take a video of yourself and say in it how much you appreciate our health heroes and being there on the front line, risking their lives every day. We've gotten a wonderful response from that. So we are just hunkering down looking at what can we continue to do for our community. I walk in the back door and it is silent. There are no voices, there's not even staff members. It feels very lonely. It is palpable that there's something wrong in the world, that there's nobody here. You know, even if I'm the first person and I'm turning on all the lights and unlocking the doors, getting ready for staff to come in, for the community to come in, getting ready for a show, getting ready for family day, whatever. So when I come in, all I do is I just turn on the light in my office. That's the only light that gets turned on. I scare the custodians. What I'm hopeful for is that we can really be part of the solution. I think the joy that comes from the arts is so important, and I think people are seeing that now, perhaps realizing it perhaps more than ever before because of how dismal it would be if we couldn't listen to these artists performing in their living rooms, how dismal it would be if we didn't get online and see these beautiful paintings and sculptures that people are showing. That gives us hope. So I think the Arts Council can be a huge part of building people's hope and the economy.